Hi BFam, how you guys doing? I am on my way to do a couple errands. Sorry about the light. The light's like in the way. So I'm just gonna be on my way. I had to go do some errands. There's things I have to do that is very important, and today's the deadline. So I gotta get my butt moving. I've been trying to do it during the week, but I just never had the chance. So hopefully I get everything done and everything gets completed today, and we'll see. We'll see. So I just wanted to come on here and say hello, and just wanted to let you guys know that I appreciate everybody saying happy birthday to me yesterday. I really appreciate all you guys, and I really appreciate you guys thinking about me on my special day. So thank you so much. I didn't do much yesterday because I had to go to work. I was watching the kids in the morning because honey had to leave. Well, they didn't go to school because I was not feeling good the day before. Actually, that same day, pretty much yesterday, but 3 o'clock in the morning, I was not feeling good. I woke up and I was feeling really bad. And so I stayed up for a couple hours, and I finally went to sleep, but it took a while for me to go to sleep, so I was hurting like really bad. My stomach was hurting really bad, and I had chorro like crazy, and I was throwing up, and it was so bad, you guys. Like, I was feeling so bad. It hurt really bad too. Like, when I throw up and when I go chorro, I cry because it hurts so much. Because I hardly do that, so when I do it, I can't, my body can't hang. Hold on, there's a cop. Hold on. So my body can't handle the pain, I guess. So when I go through all that, like once in a while I'll go through that, and it hurts so bad. So I just start crying because it hurts. So anyways, I stayed up, and I was going to sleep, but then I felt like I had to still go, but then it wasn't as severe where I was crying. So I was like, okay, I'm going to just force myself to go to sleep, and then I'm going to wake up. By the time I woke up, honey left it early in the morning because he had work. So usually he'll get the kids up, and I was like, dang, I'm like, I woke up and it was already too late. I'm like, the bus already came, and I didn't have a car because my car is down, and then we only have his car. So I was like, oh my gosh, what am I supposed to do? I don't know what to do. Well, obviously I can't take them to school, and they really missed the bus. So I was like, oh wow, they had to stay home with me. Oh my gosh, that was bad. I'm like, me not feeling good, me not getting enough sleep, and taking care of the kids, all 4 kids. My oldest one made it to the bus stop because he's really good at getting up and doing things. The kids are too. It's just that they don't know exactly what time. They do know what time to leave, but sometimes they kind of surpass the time, so when they do look at the time, they're like, oh, it's too late. And they did wake me up and say, mommy, we missed the bus. And I was like, oh my gosh. So I was really upset about that, but it was fine. We had a good time together, and we had the whole, well, not exactly the whole day, but we had pretty much the whole day together. So I went to work not feeling good, and I was scared I was still gonna go like chorro everywhere. I was still feeling it, but not like I said in the beginning at 3 o'clock in the morning where it was so bad. But I feel better now. I don't know what happened. Maybe it was just the sopa that I ate the day before or something. It was just too spicy for my stomach. So I don't know. But I just wanted to let you guys know. I know that's a lot of TMI, but I'm just letting you know. What was the whole point of it, though? I forgot the whole point of it. So yeah. So right now I'm gonna go do what I gotta do, and hopefully I'm able to still go to the DT because my kids want me to go eat lunch with them. So I'm gonna go eat lunch with them. Hopefully I get everything done before then. I don't know how long it's gonna take. Sometimes it's busy, sometimes it's not, so it all depends on how busy it is. because I do have to go to the office. This car was gonna hit me. I do gotta go to the office, so I don't know. Sometimes it could go fast, sometimes it could go slow. It all depends. Sorry if it's shaking, it's the car. So that's why I hardly vlog in my car because it's too much shaking. So I'm pre-recording because you guys already know what's up with my when I record live. So there's a lot of traffic, you guys. I wish I could turn this around and show you guys. God that I'm able to get everything done and everything gets approved, because if it doesn't, we're screwed for a while, and that's not good if we get screwed. So if I had my vehicle working, I would have done it a long time ago, but we're down on one vehicle, so we have to go whenever I am able to get the vehicle. Sorry, I'm like tired. I need coffee, but I don't have time. I should have made some at home, but I was too busy getting ready. My boyfriend's truck is wiggling too much. It's not, I don't feel comfortable. Like when I stop, it doesn't stop correctly, and then it wiggles. Something, and then it's I don't know who's first. I can't remember who was first. I think it was Marcos was first, then Mario, then Bibi and Jose. I think Jose is last. So down Arizona. Beep. See, it just took me to about 9 minutes to get to town. My house is not that far from town, so I'm already in town. This is not like deep in town, but it's pretty much in town. So sorry. This grandma's tired. I'm so quiet, you guys. I don't know what's wrong. I feel weird when I'm quiet. It's like awkward moment. I'm just going to Old Town right now. I'm gonna pass Starbucks. I need to scoot over this way. Go, 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 go. Faster, faster, faster. Do you guys talk to the cars like if they're like people? Or is it just me? There are people in the car. Sorry, guys, if I'm yawning. The Starbucks over there. It's Starbucks, T-Mobile, Sports Clip, Dental Care, Loan, Debit Card, Check Cash, Yogi's Grill, Teriyaki Roll, and Roll. Ooh, California. When my dad would take us to California, there was a teriyaki. I can't remember teriyaki something in California. Oh my gosh, their teriyaki bowls are delicious. Oh my gosh, you guys gotta try it. I'll ask my dad what's the name of it. I'm pretty sure he's gonna remember. It's like Toshi or teriyaki. I don't know what the name is. But it's so good, you guys. Oh my gosh, my mom loved that place. Loved it. And my dad would always take her there. And he liked it too, and we loved it too. And my uncles would go, my grandma would go, like we'll all go and eat there. When we were really little, he did take me a couple times when I got older. Probably around my early 20s, I went. So yeah. Because I already had my son then. I think I even had my second son too. My daughter never went to California. At least I don't think she did. No, she hasn't. She hasn't stepped foot in California. It's just it's only Jose and Kiko. I'm pretty sure. Or maybe not even Jose. But Jose was really little last time I went. I took both of them. Maybe. I don't know. I know for sure my oldest one went. He's been in California so many times. We went to the beach together. My dad took us to the beach, to Huntington Beach. Oh my gosh, it was so beautiful, so nice. Like, it was gorgeous. I had so much fun. Like, I didn't get in the water. Just a little bit, but I was scared to get in the water because I'm scared of the ocean, you guys. So, like, when I was little, my older brother, my dad would take us to El Golfo in Mexico. And we'll go to El Golfo and the ocean there, or I don't know, I guess you could call it the, well, it's El Golfo. So the water was not deep at all. Like, at least that I remember, the water wasn't deep, but I thought it was deep. So the more you go, the deep, it does get a little deep, but not enough where you're gonna drown, or at least an adult won't drown, at least I think. Anyways, so we would go, my brother, my older brother at the time, when he would go with us, we would go, and I remember I was always screaming and crying, like I'm a scaredy cat. And he freaking carried me on his shoulders, and he went and like as far as possible, and I was crying and crying and kicking and crying. I was yelling and screaming. Oh my gosh, you guys, I was like, no, I don't want to go. I was so scared, and I was so scared of those little seaweeds. I don't know what they're called. I think they're called like seaweeds, those green grassy looking things that look real, like they're alive. But I'm scared of touching one of those. Like, I'm so scared of everything. The only thing I would do when I would go to the beach, when my dad would take us to El Golfo, was to go look for seashells. I would always go look for seashells all the time. I was all intrigued with the seashells. And also my uncle and my dad and my other uncle, they'll all go and they'll crack open the clams and put chile, limon, and salt. Oh my gosh, so delicious. Oh my gosh, if you guys haven't tried clam, it's so fresh from the ocean. It's so good, like so good. And we'll also catch fish. I don't know if my dad would catch fish there. Oh, he'll catch fish. Hey, this is my spot. If you'll I can't even talk, you guys. Catch fish there, or he'll buy them. I don't know, but I always thought he got them from the ocean. So they would get the fish, and they'll take it to my nana's house, and they'll cut it open. My nana will like scrape the scales off and do everything that she has to do and cook it. It was so good. Oh my gosh. And we'll all have like a feast outside, and with a long table, and we'll just eat outside. It was so good. Like, my nana over there, my nana's house in San Luis was so cool. Like, we had so much fun at night. We always had bonfires, and we hear music, and it was really nice. My nana's in heaven right now, so she's in heaven. She's in peace. She's with God. She's dancing in heaven, having a feast with God right now. Oh my gosh, my nana's having so much fun up there. And she's also with my sister. So my sister's up there having a feast with my nana. So we are here at the destination, and hopefully everything goes well. Please pray for me, you guys, because I always get nervous. Not nervous coming here, but just nervous that I'm not gonna complete it. My anxiety goes like up the roof, because I'm like, is it gonna get done? Is it gonna get done? Is it gonna get approved? Is it gonna get approved? Like, I get nervous. So panic attack. It is pretty packed, you guys. It is pretty packed. I don't even know where to park. Go ahead. Dale, Don, dale. Alright, you guys, I'm here. Hopefully this is loaded by the time I get hopefully that I get back. I don't know if it's gonna load, because I noticed that it won't load when I'm out about either. It takes forever to load, so it'll load finally when I get home. It'll go faster, like it'll kick in, you know, because I'm using the data, so it's a little bit slow, but it's good. So I didn't do much with my makeup, you guys. Of course, I had to do my eyeliner, my mascara, and I put I've been wearing the pink and I'll show you the palette when I get home. What I've been using lately, the last 3 days now. I've been enjoying it, so it's really nice. I really like the look. It's very natural, not too overdrawn with the smoky eye that I've been doing. So yeah. I'll talk to you guys later, because I gotta go, because I don't want to be like taking forever. There's people outside waiting, so yeah, we'll see you guys, please. Okay, talk to you later. Much love.